In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can download and install OBS Studio on your Windows. For it, just go to your Windows search option, then you need to search for Microsoft Store, then press enter, and it will open the Microsoft Store. And in the search option, you need to search for OBS Studio. And there you can see it is showing us OBS Studio. Just click on it, and it will take you over here, and here you can see the install option. Just click on install, and there you can see it is downloading, and it is around 126 MB. So right now I will just fast forward the video, and there you can see the download is complete. This will take a minute or two, and the installation is complete. So right now we can just close this, and let's go to our Windows search option, and let's search for OBS Studio, and there you can see. So if you now just click on it, there you can see it open OBS Studio, and you need to choose what you want. I want this for only recording. I will not be streaming, so I'll just select this option, then click on next, and you can choose the video resolution. So just keep the highest, and either 60 or 30. I'll just use 60 over here, then click on next, and then click on apply setting. So this is how you can download and install OBS Studio. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.